My name is Vogel. I work at SIAT. We like to walk during the weekend along the Darsha River. Here in Shenzhen, it's always the whole year green. About 3.5 years ago, together with my wife Doris, we arrived here in Shenzhen, coming from Switzerland. My former doctoral student convinced me to come to SIAT. SIAT supported me in managing my daily life. But I want to mention especially my assistant helped me a lot. So thank you very much for that. And that was only possible because the SIAT gave me this opportunity to hire him. The most valuable thing I had in my career was having the pleasure to work with young people, also working with students and postdocs from different nationalities. That is very important, to bring together different nationalities. They can work together. I very often leave the laboratory or the office space at the last person. I'm also somehow responsible to be a model for our collaborators. If the collaborators work hard, should work harder. Of course, it was a big honor to win this Friendship Award, but it's also a challenge to do it in the future even better and up to now, and to work better for the society here in China, for the university in China. Wish that SIT will grow, attract many talented young students, make many breakthroughs in the future,